So for New Year's, well, I guess not really New Year's because it's the 11th, but for the New Year, I guess I should say, I decided I'm going to make a schedule of everything that I need to do during the day, and I have an alarm app on my phone, and every time I need to do something, my alarm will go off at that time. Like, for example, I have my alarm go off at 10 o'clock. What's the matter? Are you mad? Anyway, I have my alarm go off at 10 o'clock to start uploading videos for YouTube. 11 o'clock my alarm will go off so I can start sewing. I have laundry in here, pick up the house, work out, school, got a whole bunch of stuff. So I'm hoping that, you know, if I stick to it and actually do it when it goes off, then I will get all of the stuff done that I need to get done every day, and I will feel like I've accomplished something. Hi, baby. You don't look very happy. What's the matter? Oh, baby. It's okay. It's okay. You ready for it now? Sister love. Sister love.
Have something else.
Yeah, I'll get you something else in a minute.
Oh, Brianna scratched my face.
You're so big, Brianna. You're getting so big.
Why does she do that?
Because she doesn't know any better. She doesn't know what she's doing.
Boo.
Who are you?
Wait, Evelyn. What?
You can say hi to yourself? Say hi, baby. Look in the mirror. Look in the mirror. Looking at herself in the mirror. You're so cute. She wants to be held all day. All day. Try to put her down. She cries. I gave her a bottle already and she drank it all gone. She started crying when she was done. She's so fussy. You gotta stop being such a fussy baby. Can you carry one of these? They're all mixed up. We're gonna separate them in the bedroom. Hey, leave that TV off and come get a basket. Come on. We gotta put up laundry.
Me too?
Yes, you need to carry a basket into the bedroom. Can you do it?
Yes, I'm strong.
Okay, don't pick it up, just drag it.
Drag it?
Drag it. You're gonna drop it, and you're gonna drop all clothes. There you go. Come over here and drag it like this. There you go. Or you can push it. That works too.
How do you push?
Like you. What you're doing right now is pushing.
What does that one do?
Go. Go, Aubrie. You're holding up traffic. Beep, beep. Look how beautiful she is. Princess Evelyn. Dun, dun, dun. Can I see your shoes? Oh yeah, those are pretty. Those are so cute.
Would you like this?
Why are you being such a brat? Hey you. Woo, woo, woo.
She likes this.
Do you want to go on your belly? What? Stop being such a bratty brat. Yeah, I'm talking to you. You're such a little stinker. You're such a stinker.
Look, she's trying to get my dress.